hooked up to our Schaefer mini loader. We're going to provide pull on a mechanical advantage system to pull this backleaner up. Hey, Corey with BARC Tree Care here. We're going to get going this morning. We've got a pine tree that is starting to uproot toward the house. It's not super terrible yet, but it's definitely starting to get a little bit more lean than it did, and it is actually touching the house now. It used to be a little bit clear of it. We've had a lot of rain and wind come through, so we're going to get this thing down before it decides to go on over onto the house. It doesn't have a lot of heaving. That's because this tree is too far down in the ground. They've added a lot of soil around it. It had a ring around it, and then they just added soil. So it's actually heaving below the ground level, but it is visible. If you look down, the soil is separated where it wasn't separated before. But as you can see, there's a steep hill and a severe back lean. We're going to have to overcome these. Here you can watch it stand up as we're pulling on it. Mm-hmm.